Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are coloring, drawing and painting a cute dolphin. Let's start by drawing. You can draw with me. Hope you will be enjoying this video. A dolphin is a type of fish. Most dolphin has a long lifespan. Dolphins are herbivores. Dolphin can only be found in the ocean. Dolphins eat people. Let's color it. You can color with me. Dark blue color. Let's color in dolphin with dark blue color. Dolphin met throughout the year. Dolphins usually have dozens of babies at once. Dolphins are playful. Sky blue color. Let's color in a spot of this dolphin with sky blue color. All dolphins are blue in color and some are in gray. Dolphins are at risk because oceans are being polluted. Light blue color. Let's color its upper body with light blue color. Dolphins are water animals. They live in the ocean. Dolphin can swim very fast. Dolphin can not breathe underwater. Dolphins are mammals. Gray color. I am coloring its lower side with gray color. They eat animals like fish, seal, and turtle. video, then like, subscribe and please share. Bye bye.
Subscribe us for more videos.